Lesson 8.7, we were talking about circles. This is your practice packet starting on page 14. In 1 and 2, we're just going to identify the measures of the circle. So for this one, my radius is 4.35 meters. To get the diameter, I'm going to double this one. So I'm going to get 8.7 meters when I double it. In this one, I know the diameter is 36.2 feet. So to get the radius, I'm going to divide it in half, which is going to give me 18.1 feet. For number 3, 4, and 5, it says find the area of the circle. Show your answer in terms of pi and rounded to the nearest hundredth. So area is equal to pi r squared. This is, in fact, my radius. So I'm going to be doing pi times 21 squared. So when I do 21 squared, I get 441 pi. And I'm going to go ahead and multiply that by 3.14, giving me 1,384.74 inches squared. So next one, this is your diameter. So your radius then is going to be half of it. So area equals pi r squared, pi times 24 squared. So 24 squared is going to be 576 pi. And if we go ahead and multiply that by 3.14, we get 1,808.64 feet squared. This next one, the radius of a circle is 50 feet. What is the area? Area is pi r squared. Radius is 50, so we're going to put that in here. And 50 squared is going to give me 2,500 pi. So then 2,500 times 3.14, area would be 7,850 feet squared for this one. For number 6, we're finding the circumference of our circle. Circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. This is my radius, so I'm doing 2 times pi times 21. For the circumference, 2 times 21 is going to give me 42 pi. And then we're going to go ahead and multiply that by 3.14, giving me $131. Oh my goodness, 131.88 inches. For this one, this is my diameter, so my radius is going to be 24. Or I could do that pi times diameter if I wanted to. 2 times pi times 24. So my circumference is 48 pi. If I'm changing that to a decimal, I'm multiplying by 3.14, and I'm getting 150.72 feet. The drawing in number 7 represents a fountain area surrounded by a garden. So this is our fountain surrounded by a garden. The fencing used to surround the garden costs $17 per linear foot. How much would a fence cost? So we are going to have to actually buy, not part of the linear foot, we're going to have to buy 151 linear feet, and we're going to multiply that by the cost of $17. So prior to taxes here, we're looking at $2,567 for that fence then. And that is it for lesson 8.7.